Can you believe it's already August? The dog days of summer are fully upon us once again, and Tire Supply Network is bringing the heat with these sizzling summer savings. Hamaton HTS-A66DD TPMS sensors that conveniently fit, snap in, or clamp in 10 sensors for $220. NCZS, quarter ounce all the way through to 2 ounce wheel weight set to keep you stocked up on your domestic OEM alloy weights this summer for $170. Prema, 110 radial patches, 3 1/4 by 2 1/4 rectangular radial patches, 20 in a box. You get 2 boxes for $35. GA155S dual foot truck tire gauge and CH-330LO lock-on dual foot air chuck. You send us $22 and we'll send you both of them. You may have noticed my cool fashion accessory during the video. Not only do I look cool, I am cool. At least physically. All thanks because of my Cool Snap cooling towel. And if you're a Club 5 member, you can get one for yourself with any purchase through the end of September.
Not a Club 5 member yet? For a $19.95 membership fee, you can save 5% on every item on our website. And you get 1 free promotional item with purchase every 3 months. Join Club 5 at TireSupplyNetwork.com today.